Yung sa corruption issue, ang problema kasi natin dito is that hanggang ngayon wala pang we already spent millions on the ICI. Walang nangyari doon.
Walang nakukulong.
Walang actually kahit yung sa report nila it's been inconclusive so far. There's no results. And that's the problem. When we allow a system that shows no results whenever corruption is investigated, edi parang pinapakita natin na okay lang magnakaw. And so we would have, this issue would keep repeating itself if there are no consequences for this. Kasi anong mawawala sa kanila? Wala namang nakukulong, wala namang nasususpend, walang na-expel from the house, and no one's facing any consequences for this action when what they could gain is billions of pesos from the public funds.
Kahit yung iniimbestiga ng yung may mga sinabit na ang ICI at TPWH sa Ombudsman, ibig sabihin there is a pending investigation, if not a case in the Ombudsman, against example, Edwin Garjola of CWS, correct? And yet, hindi siya suspended.
Yes, actually, there would be no basis for the ethics to suspend him because investigation pa lang yun. Ang problema kasi natin is that these investigations, it's almost 1 year since then. The ICI started in October, I believe, September.
Pero kasi, ang sinasabi ko nga, ang ICI, itinayo yan ni Marcos, ni Bongbong, para naman ng konting appeasement, no? Pero at the same time, dahil siya naman ang boss, siya naman namili ng mga yan, kaya nga nagsisiresign na, nung alam na nila na parang budol ito wala naman talagang, in my opinion, their marching orders is, wag idamay si Sandro at si Martin.
Wala talagang mangyayari sa atin yan, di ba? And kitang-kita mo nga natin, di ba? Kahit ikaw siguro, kung kitang-kita mo yung nangyayari na every time na merong willing magsalita or magpahayag ng kanilang karanasan na naranasan nila sa katiwalian or witness, imbes na pakinggan, ang unang-una nilang gagawin talaga, babanatan nila, sisiraan nila, i-question nila yung credibility, even meron ng mga salaysay. Di ba, ang una, bago mo ma-question yung credibility, dapat imbestigahan mo muna kung ano yung, as a lawyer, Mama Bing, di ba? Kailangan basahin mo muna kung ano yung affidavit, tapos doon ka mag-imbestiga bago mo sabihin kung credible or not.
Tsaka katungkulan nila yun, gaya ng Blue Ribbon Committee, katungkulan nila yun, na to get to the bottom of things. Kaso, ayaw talaga ni Senator Lacson imbestiga nung 18 na Marines na yan. Ang problema ni Senator Lacson dyan sa 18 na Marines?